4 GSC Lesson 3 Part 2, Taking Care of Your Teeth. If we will not take care of our teeth, it may lead to tooth decay, toothache, bad breath, bleeding gums and indigestion. To get rid of all these problems, we need to take care of our teeth. What is the way to take care? First of all, we have to wash our mouth after every meal, so that the particles which are sticking into the teeth and in between the teeth will be washed away and it will not stick into the teeth. And then we have to brush our teeth twice a day. That is after getting the morning and before going to bed at night. Before going to bed at night, it is most important to brush your teeth, because when we are sleeping, these food particles, if it is sticking into our teeth, the microbes will breed very fast. It will cause bad breath and many more teeth problems. That's why it is very important to brush our teeth the morning as well as before going to bed at night. And brushing also should be in a proper way. We have to use soft brush and gentle brush so that the gums are not damaged. We have to brush our teeth up and down, back and forth and behind the teeth to clean it properly. To clean the teeth, we need the place in between the teeth, we have to use the dental floss. Is the silk thread used to clean it in between the teeth where the brush cannot reach. Ask your parents to take you to a dentist periodically, at least once in a 6 month, because the dental problem will not arise or will not be detected very soon. It takes time to appear. At that time, the dental problem will be very acute. That's why to avoid such kind of situation, we need to visit the dentist time to time so that the problem can be detected earliest and it is easy to cure. Avoid eating sticky food like chocolates and sweets, because this type of food is oily and very sticky. It is sticking into our teeth for more time and causes the tooth decay. Avoid fizzy drinks such as Coca-Cola and soft drinks you are eating, and the drinks which aerated drinks having more gas or soda. It have acids in it. This acid only causes the toothache or tooth decay. If you will take this type of drinks regularly, it will lead to teeth decay. That's why we have to avoid this type of. We can eat, but we cannot eat regularly or more. So we can eat chocolate, we can eat sweets, we can drink this, but in a controlled way, in a limited amount. But nowadays our living standard in such a way that we feel glad to eat these things. So be aware of this, which will lead to tooth decay and cause a lot of tooth problem. These are the things which here it is said to avoid. What we have to do? We have to drink plenty of milk and eat eggs. Milk is a complete food. Egg is rich in calcium, which help to strengthen the teeth, because for a good teeth we need the vitamin C, vitamin A and the mineral like calcium. So we have to eat the fruits or the vegetables which are rich in calcium, vitamin A and vitamin C, which help us to make the teeth strong. This is all about the taking care of your teeth. It is said that prevention is better than cure. So we have to take these preventive measures to avoid the problems caused due to these things, and we can avoid the tooth decay by following these rules. Thank you. We will discuss the microbes in the next video.